Hello everybody, so today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about Z distribution. Here is about the question. The mean useful life of car batteries is 57 months. They have a standard deviation of 6. Assume the useful life of batteries is normally distributed. We need to calculate A and B. The A is about 45 months, B is about 75 months, and here is about normal standard deviation with the Z score in here. So I just use this chart to calculate about the percentage. So I will show the formula. So we will have S is about the number they provide for you minus mean divided to standard deviation, and we will use the number on the question. Question A, we have 45. The mean is about 57. And the standard is about number 6. We calculate this number. That's about minus 2. So the Z score is about minus 2. And the question asks less than 45 months. This means that from the minus 2 they go up to this way. This is about because less than 45 months, so we just calculate the percentage in here. So the percentage for the question A is about 0.1% plus 0.5% plus 1.7, and because below than minus 2, so that we just calculate only 3% in here. Okay, that's about 2.3%. So question A is about 2.3%. Now question B is about 75. We just change to this number. (75) minus 57 divided by 6, you go about number 3. So in this situation we will use about the number 3 in here, because that's it lasts longer than 75 months. So from number 3 they go up, and we have only 0.1%, and the answer is about 0.1% in the question B. That's the end. Thank you for watching.